Do you want to do some fun and easy projects for your kids? Hi, this is Maurice Jupek. Stick around and I'll show you some kids projects using old shirts. So today I'm going to show you how to make a dog collar using this old shirt. So let's get started. Materials for this project are a glue gun, a Velcro, scissors, tape measure, and your old shirt. First thing you want to do is measure your pet's neck. Okay, and so measure his neck all around, and you want to give an allowance, especially if you're going to make a collar. You don't want that collar really tight. So I would give like an inch to an inch and a half allowance. Okay, so now, so this one here, this is the shirt I'm going to use for my pet. All you have to do is so simple, is you already have that collar and it's already sewn on there. So all you have to do is just cut around it. Just so what we're going to do right now is cut the collar. Okay, cut the collar. You don't necessarily have to leave an allowance here because it's already sewn in there. It's not going to fray. Okay, so just cut the collar. So you have that. So the next thing you want to do is on the back is put a Velcro on there, because you're going to put your pet's collar. Put a Velcro, see right here, I got this Velcro, so that when you put the collar, it won't slip. So you use a glue gun, put it on there, okay, and then okay, so there. So now I put the collar, the dog collar, around this shirt collar, and then just put that on there so it won't come off. Okay, another one in the front. Okay, just to secure the dog collar. So we're gonna put one. We have to do a glue gun. And do another one on the other side. So now they're all there. It's secure. So there you have it. See how simple it is? It is so simple the kids would enjoy making a lot of these projects, simple projects for your pet. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to make a dog necktie using this leftover fabric. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please make a comment below. If this is your first time to watch this video, I highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel. It is my goal to give you tips, ideas, and fun projects. Thank you and daghang salamat.